Hi bestie, my name is Miss River, also known as Karen. In this video, I'm doing an unboxing of the A5 linen budget planner from Christina Loves Planning. If you're interested in budget planners, anything financial, this video might just be for you. So please consider staying until the end. Hi, Bestie. If you've been here before, I'm just really thrilled that you decided to come back. If you're new to my page, like I said in the intro, my name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. And on my page, I do unboxings, pen reviews, tips on how to save on gas, cash stuffing, and investing. And did I mention Plan With Me? I do Plan With Me videos as well. So I'm a planner girl, cash stuffer, investor, and helping you find frugal ways to save at the pump. So the other day, it was in the afternoon, I was watching different YouTube videos on cash stuffing to support others to make sure they get their watch hours and everything. And I ran across a live. And during that live, the cash stuffers, they was talking about Christina Love Planning had her budget planner on sale for 50% off on one day. Now, when I was hearing her talk about it on YouTube, I had no idea who they were talking about. So I said, let me find out who has a budget planner on sale for 50% off. So I went to Instagram searching because I do follow a few cash stuffers on Instagram, and I found Christina Love Planning was who had her planners on sale for 50% off. Now, I already follow her on Instagram, but I'm not on Instagram every day. So I definitely would have missed this if I didn't see that live on YouTube. So she has a few budget planners. She does have a discount, A5 planner, a big planner, and then this one is the A5 linen core budget planner, and it comes in 3 colors. And I was trying to decide, should I get pink or black? And I opted out to get black because it matches my other planners that I have, the cord and everything in the aesthetic. And when I opened this up, I was in awe because it's absolutely beautiful. The coils are really nice. It's extremely nice. And you know what? I'm not really a spiral planner, but this is really nice. I love the embossing of the budget planner that's on the cover. I was impressed when I opened this. So let's go ahead and do a flip through of this budget planner. So this is a 12-month budget planner, and it has 315 pages, and it is undated. So overall, I do like this planner. It's undated, which is a plus considering what type of planner it is, the budget planner. All the trackers that it have within it can definitely be utilized on a regular basis. I do recommend this planner, so make sure you check her out. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Toodles!